Are you worried about freezing to death on Halloween or on one of your camping trips? Here I am setting up my Halloween display, my Halloween table. We go late in the night here in Florida. You can see the palm trees there, and winter is coming. We have this crazy cold spell. It is going to be Arctic tonight in the 50s. Might as well be dying here in Florida. I'm going to use this heated CAMPHILL chair to defeat my neighbors without them knowing how I am so comfortable out here. Let me just show you it real quick, and then we'll come out tonight and see how it's working. Obviously, super easy to unfold. Let's just test it out real quick so you can see relative. Oh man, I have had a lot of camping chairs and this is so comfortable. I am so excited to fool all these people and have them think it's freezing cold here and me looking comfortable. Let me give you the tour and then we'll come back out tonight and we'll fool a couple people. Okay, first off, it is super light and folds up nice and easy. You saw me just unfold it, nothing to do. This is where the power supply attaches with this USB-A. I'm gonna use this super cool Anchor power supply tonight. That will definitely last the whole night, I think. You got a nice deep cup holder here, as well as a pocket for your wallet, cell phone, or your power supply. You could put it in right there, tuck that right in. You are all good to go. Again, just so you can see some of the structure and how it looks. This is really impressive, I have to say. Like I said, used to race cars professionally, have an RV that we love to go camping with. And so we've had pretty much every kind of camping chair there is. This is definitely one of the lightest, nicest construction, and it's so comfortable to sit in it. All right, let's come back when it's freezing tonight and see how the heating actually works. Okay, I'm a little backlit and I honestly don't care. This chair is so freaking warm and so cool. I am sitting here, I am powered with that Anchor power supply, which will run this thing for like days. And I am just having the best cold Halloween ever. If you are looking for an amazing camping chair that is super comfortable and heated, which seems like a ridiculously cool concept, I feel so good in this chair. It's crazy. So you should get yourself one. There's a link here on the screen or down below. Either one works the same way, neither one costs you anything extra to use those. If you're watching me on YouTube, you have to hit that hype button. Super important. Got to do that for us. Remember to like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. I can't think of a better use for this heated seat other than a 50-degree night on Halloween, sitting here toasty and everybody's like freezing and they can't kind of figure out why I'm okay with the whole situation. So now you know. Just don't tell anybody our secret. Hope this was helpful. See you in the next backlit video.